Okay, sorry I don't have a GoPro. I want to see what this wad cutter did. It hit kind of low. I might shoot another wad cutter just to see what happens. See if any of them actually, no, none of them made it through. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Sellier Bellot. Looks like it got hung right here. When it hit, it went down at an angle a little bit. And there it is. The rest of them made it through, except the wad cutter. Yeah, the wad cutter made it through just a little bit. The Sellier Bellot went all the way through and lodged in the plywood. It made it a good way in the plywood. Well, doggies. I'm gonna shoot another wad cutter and see what happens. But that's what happened. I'm gonna end this video right here. Wad cutter is very effective. Sellier Bellot did really well. And it's just a regular lead bullet. Hold on a minute, I'll dig it out of there and we'll see what it looks like. It's in there. It's wedged in there pretty good. We better just leave that there. Leave that be. Wad cutter did pretty fair. I want to hit it with another wad cutter. 1 second, please. Alright, here's the Sellier Bellot on the left and the wad cutter on the right here. Wad cutter's giving it a good go for its money here. Come here, wad cutter. There we go. Oh, you're upside down. There we go. Indeed. I had such a hard time with that. Okay, there we go. The wad cutter's actually down in the case a good bit, so it looks like it's sawed off, but it's really just as much bullet. It's just down in the case further, and that protrudes more. Let's give them two play off and see which one does the best. Alright. And kleiner Minuten. Un poco momento. Alright. My workstation here. Okay, I'll just put it down this way. Now I'll put it in my workstation. Alright, let's have a little play off here and see which one does the best. Here's our wad cutter right here. But this is going to be the Sellier Bellot. So let's see what we got on there. Oh wow, I think both of them made it pretty well. Okay, here's the Sellier Bellot, and here's the wad cutter. Well, Sellier Bellot gets a little bit more penetration, but the wad cutter is it's hanging in there. Here's a Sellier Bellot, and there's the wad cutter, from Buffalo bore. And here's the other wad cutter from Buffalo bore. It just about made it out the bottom of this bore. That was just kind of a bad shot. Hit kind of low down there. Hit right here. And it dropped a little bit. And as you see, you got a little sideways with us. That's even better if it hits something that makes a nastier little hole. Sellier Bellot and the wad cutters are, let's see here. The Sellier Bellot and the wad cutters, that's our best bet. So when I load this, I'm going to load every other one with a Sellier Bellot, a wad cutter, Sellier Bellot, wad cutter, Sellier Bellot, wad cutter, just like that. And that ought to get you home. Thank you for watching.